Hi everybody, so I thought I'll put this video together to talk about a current situation I'm experiencing when I'm buying a block of flats, which is just basically a lack of planning permission that's currently on the block of flats I'm purchasing. So I guess I'll put the structure in of this video is to talk about the current situation, then I'll talk about the issues that this current situation is kind of producing really, the plans and of what I'm trying to do to get around this or to fix it really, and then I'll talk about some of the kind of some of the challenges I'm facing as well. So in effect, I guess the current situation is, it's a block of flats I've put an offer about December 2020 on, and that was agreed after a bit of negotiation. And we're now in February 2021. So 2 months in, we've done a lot of the searches, the plans, and one of the things that's been thrown up is there is an inadequate planning permission for this block. So the challenge that means then basically is that there are more flats in the block that there are planning approval for. So currently there are 3 flats in that block, and there are planning for only 2 of those 3 flats. And the challenge is lenders are not going to want to take this on because the asset value is priced up on 3 flats. Currently, the planning is only on 2, so they will be unwilling to do that because should the council come back and either ask us of further enforcement, which is unlikely, but there is a possibility that they could enforce a notice that that we convert this block of 3 back into block of 2, which means then the lenders will be exposing themselves to a reduced value of that block. So that's the first thing. The second thing is, as I spoke to the planning office regarding the history of this block, and as it turned out, it was a hotel before, back in the 1900s and 1950s, up to 1950s. Then it turned into a guest room, six kind of bed units. Then in the 80s, also was a hotel. Then became a block of flats. Now the challenge is, the current block, the current owner has owned it for about 16 odd years, and have not adequately sourced the planning, or at least applied back then the right planning. So they've converted that block into 3 with only permission for 2. Now it's been going on for a while, so they've had it for 16 years. And from their perspective, they're saying, "Oh, we've had a license to let from the council that has extended for about 15 odd years." So there's, they don't feel that there's a need for that they've been doing anything wrong. Now